Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a wallpaper on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, to change the wallpaper, you want to go to the settings, then you want to swipe down, and here you are going to find the wallpaper. So click on this one, and here you are going to find the wallpaper settings. So just by swiping, if you have set one before, you can just set the specific wallpaper that you have set before. So just set here, set as current, and now these are going to be your wallpapers that you have set before. So if you want to create a new one, go to the wallpaper settings again and click add a new wallpaper. So here you have some options. So the featured one, the one that are now on the top. Also you have some weather and astronomy, kaleidoscope, emoji, unity, pride, some collections and color options right here. Not everyone is displaying right now because I don't know why, but maybe in a moment they are going to be displayed. So you can choose between those, or you can just go to the live photo and this is going to show you your photos, and you can find a live photo somewhere here. I don't have one, but you can choose. You can go with the emojis, and you can just go and customize your own app with emojis. So for example, we can add, let's say, this one. Also I want to write this one, have maybe this one, and also I want to have some cars, so a formula car, and maybe a bike, and maybe I want to have the motorcycle or so. So where I could find it, I think this one is the motorcycle. So okay, as you can see now, those emojis that you have set right here are going to be displayed. So you can add up to 6 and set it as it is right now. So this is going to be your lock screen, and right here you can manage those widgets. So as you can see, you have like 3 sections. So 1, 2, 3, as you can see, you can click and add maybe fitness, for example, on top. On the very bottom, this is only going to be displayed the hour, so you can change the font and color of the font. Maybe I want to have, let's say, purple, and I want to add more color to it to make it more visible. Maybe no purple, I can see the purple right now here, something darker, so maybe green. Green is not okay, maybe brown. Brown is also invisible, so maybe white is going to be okay. Yeah, white is the most visible right now. Also below you can add some widgets right here. So you have those featured one, batteries, calendars, widgets, very much available right here. So let's say I want to have Gmail widgets, so, or maybe not. Maybe I want to have just the weather, and also maybe I want to have the calendar. So after selecting the widgets, you can, or before, select the options of the emoji screen, like the options of those emojis. As you can see, we have dynamic, grid, large, radial, and also spiral. I think the spiral is the best for me right now, so I'm going to choose spiral and click add. And also you can set us as wallpaper pair, so the same is going to be on the lock screen and the same on the home screen, but also you can customize your home screen. So as you can see, you have this option, the pair, so it means it is going to be the same. You can add a color, you can add gradient, you can add photo, and also you can add blur. I'm going to change the color, but not this one, not the yellow. Maybe I want to have like this little pink because it is nice. So something like that, it's okay to me. And also you can choose the gradient, or maybe I'm going to choose the gradient. So let's maybe create a gradient, something like this one. Yeah, it is okay. So after that, click just done. And this is going to be your wallpaper right now. As you can see on the lock screen, we do have emojis, we do have those widgets. And in the home screen, we have this gradient. Also, you can add something else, something like weather, let's say, and this is going to be, you know, the weather for your location, how it looks right now. Also, you can add some widgets right here, the same action, and after all, you can customize your home screen again with the pair or something else. But I'm not going to do this right now. Let me just, can I go back? I cannot, I think so. So let's maybe just delete, customize it. So, or maybe add new. Also, you can add the astronomy one. Earth, Venus, Mercury. You can swipe between Earth details, move details, Mars, Jupiter. As you can see, you have various options of the astronomy. And you can just choose between those that Apple gives us as standard options. As you can see, you have also here some customizations on with the font, with the color, as you can see. So maybe let's create something with the Saturn, maybe. So as you can see, also here you can customize those widgets. So let's say I want to have maybe something like this. I want to change the font of it to this one and make it bigger. And I want to change here the widgets. So let's say I want to add maps, I want to add Gmail, and I want to add, let's say, the word clock. And also I want to add here the weather. As you can see, you have those options. So click add, customize home screen, and I'm going to add something else. Let's just do a simple color, and I want to have it black as much as I can. So as you can see, these are the options that you can do with those wallpapers. I'm going to choose this one as a current. So yeah, this is how you can change a wallpaper on the iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!